What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back. I am Tito Tilla. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel once again. We are back bringing you guys another pack opening video. And today, what we've got for you is we've got two tins. We've got the Zacian tin and we've got the Koraidon tin. Each come with 5 packs, so we've got a total of 10 packs to rip today. Let's get these busted open and we'll check out the promo cards first. The tins are now opened up. Look at how shiny those are. Beautiful. We're gonna start by opening up the Koraidon tin. Boom. All right, let's take a look at that promo. Pop it out the back. A little code card there for anybody who likes those. And there's our Koraidon. Alrighty, Koraidon EX and the code card. Let's see what packs we've got in here. 1, 2 Journey Together, 1 Surging Sparks, 1 Paradox Rift, and 1 Obsidian Flames. Hell yeah. Get all that plastic cleared out of there. I like to hang on to tins and stuff as well, just to store my bulk cards and stuff. I have a lot of bulk after opening packs like this. Put that Koraidon off to the side. Let's get the Zacian tin opened up. Another code card here. Boom. And there's the Zacian EX. That is a pretty, I like that hollow finish. Looks very nice. We'll put him with the Koraidon over there. And let's check out what packs we've got here. Another 2 Journey Togethers, another Surging Sparks, another Paradox Rift, and another Obsidian Flames. All right, let's get those organized by set here. And we'll go through them one by one. Set by set. Good heavens. The tins over back here. You know what? That one, I'm not going to stack them like that. I don't want them to fall in the middle of the video. All right. So we've got Obsidian Flames, Surging Sparks, Paradox Rift, and Journey Together, all out of focus. But that doesn't matter because hopefully when I hold them up here, they're in focus. Obsidian Flames, Surging Sparks, Paradox Rift, and Journey Together. All right, we're gonna go through them left to right, one at a time, and get them all busted open. Start with the Obsidian Flames. God, I'm terrible at opening them. Code card for the TCG Live players. 1 up front. Water Energy, Magneton, Timpole, Heatmore, Lillipup, Lapras, I love Lapras, Masquerain, Gumshoos, Gloom Reverse, Baltoy, and the Gita Hollow. I pulled this one in my first video. Wow. Wow, wonderful. I love duplicates. It's my favorite. All right, Obsidian Flames number 2. Anything in this one? Let's see if these tins will pay off for me or not. Oh, come on, I'm in there. I'm in there. Just open. There we go. Oh, spoilers. Can't be showing the front first. Code card. 1 up front. Got the Grass Energy, the Wiglet, the Shuckle, the Bisharp, Magneton, Buffalant, Crabominable, King Gambit, Tadbulb, Dratini, and Darkrai Hollow. We also got that one in the first video. Wow, two duplicates to start off. That's all right. Let's move on to the Surging Sparks packs. Let's get them ripped. I'm getting ripped tonight. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me get ripped while I rip packs. That'd be a fun video. We'll do that one sometime. There we go. Steel Energy, Togepi, Blitzel, Quaxley, Larvesta, Indeedee Male, Terra Orb, Fluttermane, Tandemaus. Oh, I love that. I fucking love Tandemaus and Mousehold. They're so cute. Appleton and Skeledirge Hollow. Fuck yeah. Okay, I don't think I have that card yet. Pretty neat, but nothing fantastic. Surging Sparks number 2. Here we go, baby. Come on, these tins gotta do something for me. My drought was just ending. Please don't let it start again. Code card. 1 to the front. We got the Steel Energy again. Wattrel. Excadrill. Morlul. Quaxwell. Magneton. Lycia's Appeal. Paldean Tauros. Blitzel, Skarmory, and the Skeledirge again. What the fuck is that? Oh man, duplicates, back-to-back packs. That's crazy. That is crazy. Unfortunate, but what can you do? All right, folks, we're moving on to Paradox Rift. Let's bust it open. Oh wow, that one's stuck. Alrighty, code card. 1 to the front. We start out with the Dark Energy. Blitzel, a lot of Blitzels today. Bounsweet, Feebas, Apom, Vanillux. Yeah, Vanillux. Defiance Vest, Durant, my boy Kevin, Gimmighoul, Blitzel, so many Blitzels, and Aegislash. There's been a lot of Blitzels in the last couple packs. Oh, let me get this garbage out of my way. Okay. Paradox Rift, pack number 2. Code Bagoom. And here we go. Psychic Energy. Yes, Tandemaus, Dwebble, Wishmer. Where's the focus at? Doublade, Simisage, Norman, Orthworm, Loudred, Simisear, and Kingdra Hollow. Alright, well that's okay. I saved my favorite out of these sets for last for a reason. Last pack magic. Alright, here we go. We've got Hoppinzation, we got Lily, we got N. Let's start with the Hoppinzation packs, then we'll do Lily, and then we'll do N. And Zoroark. Oh, pardon me. Here we go. Code card. 1 to the front. Here we go. Water Energy. Ends Clink, Lotad, Nimble, Larvitar, Hops Corviknight, Banette, Pangoro, ends PP up, reverse holo ends PP up, let's go. Maractus and Hops Dubwool. Oh, that ends PP up, that's the card. That's the card, boys. That's the one we need. I like that one, it's funny. All right, Journey Together, pack number 2. Whoops. Let's show off that code card. Let's put one up front. And let's look at what we got. We've got the Electric Energy, Florigato, Hops Rookie D, Ends Clink, Nimble, Ends Clinklang, Hops Sandaconda, Copperjaw, Hops Wooloo, Lombre, and Regirock Hollow. Okay, I'm getting nervous here. We've got 2 packs left and no hits. We've ripped 8 packs so far and nothing. I don't want the drought to start again, guys. I don't want it. I really don't. It wasn't fun. There's your code. Move up that energy. And let's see. Steel Energy, Milcery, Paldean Wooper, Black Belt's Training, Whalmer. I love Whalmer. I don't know what that is. What the fuck? Have I ever seen this Pokemon before? Evolves from Shelmet, huh? Excelgor? Is that what that's? Neat. Hops Corviknight, Greedent, Weezing, Noivern Reverse. Oh shit! Oh boys! The Lily's Clefairy! Let's go! Hell yeah. It's not the illustration rare, but that's still fucking sweet. Hell yeah. Let's get that one sleeved up and safe. Let's fucking go. That's awesome. Yes. I was so scared that we were gonna go without a hit out of these tins. But I'm very glad that that didn't happen. Take a look at that bad boy. Beautiful. Hell yeah, we'll put that right there next to the last pack we're gonna open. We pulled that out of the Lily pack too, so let's see if that bodes well for this N and Zoroark pack. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Oh, pulled one too many off there. Code card. Energy up. And let's go. Fire Energy. Squovet. Metang. Noibat. Rockruff. Brock Scouting. Volcarona. Alolan Marowak. Pupitar, Ends Clink Reverse, and Brock Scouting Full Art. Dude, let's go. Our 2 last packs, we got hits. Hell yeah. The Full Art Brock, that goes hard. I like that. Let's go, dude. The Full Art trainers usually aren't worth a ton, but I'm still pretty happy with that. That's awesome. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's go. 10 packs, 2 pulls. The drought has seemingly ended, ladies and gentlemen. The drought has seemingly ended. What a day. That was pretty solid. Shout out once again to the local card store. They are my suppliers. I go buy from them every single time because nothing is ever at retailers anymore. But here are the pulls for today. We've got Brock Scouting and Lily's Clefairy. Pretty solid. I can't tell if they're in focus or not, but hell yeah. I'm very happy with that. Great. Great day. 2 for 10, not bad. I've had worse for sure. Our first video was 0 for 10, so this trumps that one for sure. Anyways, thank you guys so much for checking me out once again. I really do appreciate all the support you're showing me. Please let me know down in the comments if there's any other content you'd like to see. Give me some ideas. Let me know what you guys want me to do. And until next time, take care. Tito Tilla out.